How to fix Asus laptop stuck on a loading screen. So first, perform a hard shutdown. Hold down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the laptop turns off completely. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. See if the laptop now boots past the logo screen. Then boot into safe mode, power off the laptop again, turn it back on, and immediately press the F8 or Shift F8 key repeatedly. If successful, it will launch into recovery startup. Choose See Advanced Repair Options, Startup Settings, and then Restart. Then select Enable Safe Mode. Then use the Startup Repair tool. So turn off the laptop, power it on, and press F9 or Escape plus F9 depending on the model to enter recovery options. Select Advanced Options and Setup Repair. Let Windows diagnose and attempt to repair boot issues automatically. Then reset your BIOS to default settings. So power off the laptop, turn it back on, and immediately press the F2 key to enter BIOS. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the X tab. Select Load Setup Defaults or Optimize Defaults. Then choose Save and Exit. Then disconnect external devices. So power off the laptop, unplug all USB devices, external drives, SD cards, or anything connected. Turn the laptop back on to see if it boots correctly. If this video helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.